5th, 2019 John Deere 4960. It's been tested. Doing an inventory on it today. I'm going to do this video for the front axle. This tractor's been well maintained. It's got a lot of telltale signs of it. Drive shaft shield is one. Grease certs, rubbers on the tie rods. There's no leaky seal on the outside, no leaks on the inside, and sons of booger here, but no leaks on the inside seal. Everything looks to be in good condition there. Same on the left hand side, inner seal, outer seal, inner on the drive shaft knuckle. This is a great option to replace a ZF on a 46 or 4850 with the John Deere style. So if you're looking for a good front axle, part number RE23174, I believe. Could be completely wrong on the number, but the axle's in great shape. If we can help you out, give us a call.